Alright guys, so I'm here at Align's launch party, and by the time you guys are watching this, you guys are gonna know that I joined Align Real Estate with Tiffany Pantozzi. I'm so excited for this opportunity. I am like so excited to be here celebrating this with her. This is her big night, so this is what the place looks like. I'm gonna show you guys around.
My name is I am the managing broker for Side in Florida. I'm very proud to be the managing broker for the Align Real Estate team. So happy to be here and introduce Tiffany Pantozzi, owner of Align Real Estate.
Everybody that is joining us here tonight, thank you so much for all your support. Shaping the future of real estate. I'm building a powerful network of elite agents from across the country to lead this next generation of real estate. Agents that are true industry influencers and non-traditionalists. More often than not, consumers choose agents over brokerages, and I have created a place where other high-performing agents can join me, create a path to build their own brands to get the credit they deserve, and step out of the shadows of the traditional brokerage. I'd like to thank my growing team of agents and my vendors that support us. Our team is expanding and we should strategically align with the best agents in the business. We now cover Tampa, St. Pete, and Sarasota in addition to Central Florida. We have some awesome agents over here. Raise your hands! Building our amazing team, and we will continue to do so with elite agents. So everybody, please raise your glass. I invite you all to align with us and embark on this new chapter together, launching the most fresh, fierce, and forward-thinking real estate company, Align Real Estate. Thank you all again, and cheers.
Cheers!
So how do you feel about tonight?
I'm very grateful, very excited, very motivated. Oh, very motivated to start working, get more content out. Some exciting opportunities coming up, so I'm excited.
So what are you most excited about joining Align?
Honestly, just having Tiffany there, to mentor me for, real estate. She's one of the best realtors here in Orlando. I love the way she works. I love that she's so creative, so unique, so innovative, and I can't wait to, work with her on this.
Okay. What is the most important thing you think you've learned from Tiffany so far?
That I've learned from her so far? This has been such an amazing night. We got goodie bags. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit today. That's Justin's. Yeah, I'm just wearing these. But yeah, overall it was such an amazing night. I didn't vlog a lot of it because I was just, you know, enjoying my time there, but the party is over and now it's time to get to work, but we'll talk about that next week. I'm not going to talk about work today. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night, and yeah, I met so many new people, made so many great connections. Thanks Justin for coming with me.
Thanks for having me. Thank you for Tiffany for having me. It was fun. Met a lot of good people.
We sure did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you when I see you. I'll see you when I see you.